Recently I fit my trailer into my backyard by tipping it on its side and building a trolley that let me slide it through my little gate. Well, unfortunately, I had to move it back. I needed it. Here is a very quick video showing just how I did that. So there we have it. I moved my trailer back through that little tiny gate by using a trolley that let me tip it onto its side. What other crazy things should I get up to next? Let me know in the comments down below. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything.